Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. How you guys doing today? So today we are making this beautiful, unique round neck, and it's going to have puff sleeve on it. It's a top, and we are using one half, and it has material to make this beautiful style. Very unique. I want you to learn how to cut this neckline. You can see how unique it is, and the fabric that we are using is very unique also and beautiful. Like I said, we are using 1.5 yards of material to make this beautiful style. And this style, you can wear it out on your plain trouser, on your skirt, on your jean, and you are good to go. You can wear it to the office. You can wear it out as a casual wear also. It's very unique style and very beautiful. So I want you to sit back and enjoy this tutorial. So guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now if you have not done that. Just pause now and click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share this tutorial with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. So guys, another way for you to support this channel is for you to please watch my tutorial down to the end, guys. So please always watch my tutorial down to the end. You can also check our other tutorials that we have on my channel, so you can also learn the other styles that we have on my channel. Please let's get started now with our tutorial. So if you're interested to know how to make this unique style, keep on watching this tutorial to the end. So I will just arrange the fabric now so that we can get started now. So I'll arrange it. It's a unique style, and you can see how beautiful our fabric is. So I'll just keep on arranging it because it's a very soft material, so we just keep on arranging it well so that when doing our measurements can come out well. We don't want to shorten our measurements, so I'll keep on arranging it too. So keep on watching, guys, because it's very interesting. Today's tutorial is engaging also. So let's get started now.
So I'm spreading it now for us to get started with it. So what I'm folding out here is I'm giving it out by 4 pieces. So what I mean is that we are cutting it all together, that the front piece and the back piece. Okay, so just watch me what I'm doing and learn what I'm doing and cut it on your own also. So my length that I'm giving out is 23. So that is the 23 that I'm giving out. So this I also mark your own when making your own. Okay, so the weight that I'm using there is 11, so that's my 11. Okay, so this how you also go about it. So I want to measure the half length. So the half length that I'm giving out is 16, so that's the half length, and the neck line that I'm giving out, okay, is 4, so that's my 4, and the slope is 3, so that's my 3. So that's how you also mark when giving your neck. So that's the round neck, okay, because it's round neck that I'm giving out for the neck. So now I'm giving out the back neck because I'm marking it all together. That is the 4 piece. So that is the neckline that I've also marked is 1 that I give out. Okay, so that is the shoulder. My shoulder that I'm giving out now is 16, that is 8. So I want to give it a straight line, and that is the line that will have our armhole line. Okay, so this is how you go about it. So always watch my tutorial to the end, please, guys. So the sloping for my shoulder is 1 inch. Okay, that's what I'm giving out. So this is how you also make your own when making your own. So always watch my tutorial and watch it to the end so that you can know how to cut this kind of style that we are making. So the body measurement for the bust, okay, is 38. Okay, so that's my 38. So after that you add your inch. So my waistline that I'm giving out is 28, and add my allowance. Okay, so it's 1 inch that I've added each, and that is my 1 inch for the downside of it. Okay, so I'll just give it a curve line for the armhole. So after that you just connect it. So I've added 1 inch on the sewing allowance that I've added. So that is how you also go about it when making your own. After measuring the body measurement, always remember to add your sewing allowance, okay, and that's what I've done. I've added it together. So what we'll just do now, just for us to cut it out, because the measurement is done, okay. So just wash it and wash it to the end. So I want to cut, so that is the cutting line for the neck and cutting from the shoulder, okay. So this is what I'm also doing, and you also do it on your own. So it's a 5 fabric that we are using to make this kind of style. So you always have your fabric is 1.5 yard that we are using to make this style, okay. Just watch it and watch it to the end, please, and comment and share it to your friends, okay, so that they too can also learn for this video and also know how to cut it, okay. Please, you are really trying, so just watch my tutorial to the end and also do it on your own so that you can be able to know it. So we have done for the neckline that is cutting it all together. So what I want to do here now, that you can also do on your own, is to separate it so that you now cut the neckline for the front, and that is the neckline that I want to also cut. So I've just cut all together the front and the back, but to slope the front neck, okay, is what I'm doing here now. So I'm cutting the neckline. So this I will also go about it when making your own. Please just watch it and watch it to the end. So let me spread it out and show you how it is. So that is the neck and that is the front. So we are done with the 4 piece, that the front and the back cutting is done. So this is the sleeve, okay, that want to fold. So I'm folding it all together also into piece. So this is how you also fold it. The length is 11, the armhole is 1 inch that I just marked. So that's what you also give it out. So the connection is what I'm doing now, connecting together. The round sleeve that I also have there now is 8. So I'll face our elastic on it because it adds elastic that will make it to pop out. So we have done that. So what I will just do now, just for me now to take it to the machine and stitch. So I've done that. I want to stitch it now. That is giving out the elastic. So I'm passing it with my safety pin. So this is how you also go about it when making your own, okay. Just watch my tutorial to the end, and after that you just go and fix it on the body and it will be ready. So always subscribe to my channel, please. So this is how you also go about it. So the 2 sleeve is ready, so I'll go and fix it together and it will be ready. So can you see how it is now? Please watch it to the end, please.
Alright, can see how unique our top came out. Top with a unique neckline, very beautiful. You can see how the neck is very relaxed and the top is very beautiful. I hope you understood how we're able to cut the neck, and I want you to watch it again so that you'll be able to understand it more and cut it on your own. It has a bob sleeve on it, and it's a floral material that we used in making it 1.5 yard material. So guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends, give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. Guys, another way for you to support my channel is for you to please watch my tutorial down to the end. Guys, I really want this channel to grow. I keep on saying that every day. I really want this channel to grow, guys. Please, let's grow this channel together by watching my tutorials down to the end. You can also check my other tutorials that I have on my channel, so you can also learn how to cut the other styles that we have. You can see how beautiful it is. I'm loving my top, and I hope you're going to also make yours and love yours after making your own. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on Wednesday. Bye bye.